Hi, I'm Louis Foscolo and I'm a senior associate at Kennedy's in the property, energy and construction team. I started my career at Kennedy's about 9 years ago as a trainee. And there are about 70 of us across the UK that make up the property, energy and construction team, with the majority of us working out of London, albeit I think we're all working from home right now. And Kennedy's being a global firm, we're joined by countless others across the world that make up our construction, energy and property offering. I specialise in the construction side of the property, energy, and construction team, and I have quite a varied client base. I work for insurers who make up the vast majority of Kennedy's and my own clients, but also developers, major UK and international construction companies, engineering practices, and architectural practices as well. And I have a pretty varied caseload that comes with it. So I've taken a break from looking for a structural engineering expert that can give us some advice on a part-built university building in northern England that's in a pretty precarious position at the moment and may require demolition. But my day-to-day also involves looking at the implications of COVID on construction projects in the Bahamas, and I work on a multi-billion-dollar claim relating to a collapse of a dam in Colombia. I actually slightly fell into construction as a specialism, and that stems from being a trainee at Kennedy's and being allocated as my first seat at the construction team. And since then, my interest in construction has really grown. So, whilst I was a trainee, I was involved in an international arbitration. We were acting for a Romanian contractor, and we were arbitrating against the Romanian government. And that also links into another thing that really drew me to construction, which is the diverse client base that I mentioned earlier. So whilst we act for a lot of insurance companies, we also act for contractors, subcontractors, engineers, architects all over the world. And another thing that I really enjoy is that construction is at the forefront of innovation, and that brings us in. So I'm dealing with a number of disputes where sadly innovation goes a bit wrong, but things like modern methods of construction, like modular buildings,